You are welcome. My name is Odunaya and I'm a public health specialist. Today I'll be talking about how to use condom properly, how to use condom effectively. Some people use their condom wrongly and they get away with it, but some are not so lucky. Some eventually get pregnant and some they catch cro. So today I'm going to talk to you about how to use it effectively, because normally condom is 98% effective in protecting against both STI and pregnancy when used properly. You need a condom at least, and I'll be showing not just male condom but also how to use female condoms properly. Ta-da! Some might be seeing this for the first time. I'm going to open it so let me see what it looks like and then how to use it. So for you to use it, you have to get your condom, a condom that is of your size. That is the first thing, and then you have to get a material that you are comfortable with. Okay, let me open this while I talk. There are some infections that condom might not work with. You know something they call HSV is from skin to skin. If you do wet thumping, you know what they call wet thumping. If you don't know, just mention in the comment section that you don't know what wet thumping is. This is what the condom looks like. I'm going to be using one. This is a normal condom. So just drop comment and say you don't know what dry thumping or wet thumping is. And that is one of the reasons why female condom is actually good. When I open female condom, you will probably understand. To open your condom, observe and then you open. When you observe, you have to check for the expiry date and check that the condom is intact. Check that it has not been opened by somebody else before you. When you open your condom, you open from this room. Use your hand to open it and don't use scissors. The reason why you are using hand to open it is so that you don't have to damage the condom. So you open it, you know it's very easy to open it with your hand and then you carefully bring it out. When you bring it out, you do it like this, you see that it will not come, it will be difficult for it to come out. So it should be like this so that you can roll it. So after that open, the next thing you do is pinch. You put it like this, you pinch this place, and then let me take this, you put it on top like a hat. You know, you have to put the condom when the penis is erect and before you even take the penis near the vagina. As soon as the man is erect, if you're really trying to take it, you pinch down this place. Good. I want this to be there because this is where the ejaculate is going to stay. This is where the ejaculate is going to go when the man achieves orgasm or something. So you just roll it down, This is a little bit, you know, tight. Eventually 5.7, still tight. So then you roll it down before you have sexual intercourse. So once you are done, to pull out you have to hold, you hold the condom with the penis at the base and then you pull out. You start to roll it down this. So you roll it down, then when you get to the base, you hold it, keep rolling it so that you don't get to pour, and then you pull it, because if you roll everything down, now the ejaculate, you might mess up everywhere. So roll it up, and then once it's done, you take it up, roll it, then tie it, wrap it in a tissue and dispose it. Do not flush. Tips I gave as regards using condom, the first thing I said was that use the correct condom size, use the material that is convenient for you. Also, don't double your condom, don't reuse your condom, and then dispose your condom properly, the right way. So I'm going to be talking about this now. I'm going to be showing you how to use a female condom. The first thing also is observe. You look at the expiry date, which is usually on it. This is actually a little bit expensive. That is why probably people don't usually find it around. But the advantage of using this beats that of using the male condom. So to open it up, actually for this, you would have seen here, there is a mark. Okay, I could bring it. Then it's going to, just cut it open from there. And then there's also lubricant on it. Then you pull this out, just like that. The first thing you would notice in a female condom is that it has about two bays. This is one, and then we have the second one. This is one, and then you have the second one. So this is going to go inside. This is like a ring, actually, like a ring at the base, and then this one you can roll it. So what you do is this. You don't do it this way, please. You don't, because you will block it. Just as it is opened like this, you would hold, and please, I didn't have all these, any condom you want to handle, please ensure that your hands are neat. So you hold the base like this ring, you press it, this ring as it is. I don't know, I just want it to be so, it's like this. So I was more did it like this, actually like this. This is how it is. You press it, press it in the middle, so it's thin. Then you dip it into the vaginal hole. I don't know if this will work, because I was just thinking of what to use. This orange, I just made a hole in it, so I don't know if it will work, but you just try. I think it's giving me what I want. Of course, the orange is still a virgin. Sorry. Okay, it's not working. Can maybe I just use my hand. So you put this in like this. You keep, I think it's better, you keep putting it in. Then when you are done, you use your hand, just like 2 fingers, to push this in, and then you have this covers like this. So the good thing is that anything that rubs around the area of the genitals also, this condom protects the woman from it, either from the man's skin touching our own, the outer vulva, or for us to touch the man's genitals. So if there's any kind of rash or whatever that is around here, HSV or whatever, herpes simplex virus and all, she's protected. I hope she's protected from it. So sorry, I've removed that condom. So if she's going to have sex, the woman will guide the erect penis. The woman has to do it, to guide the erect penis into this hole. If not, the man will just do like this, and everything will just go inside. So she would have to guide the penis into a vagina, and then it goes this way. And then I using my hand is even good, so you can see at the other end, you see how it's going. It will keep going. The good thing about this also is that once there's friction, during penetration, this keeps getting warm. This latex keeps getting warm, so it reduces the complaint of men that, oh, I'm not enjoying it because there's condom, especially when the man uses the condom. So they will not really feel it, unlike when the condom is actually directly on their penis. So it goes like this, goes in and comes out like that. This banana has suffered though. Sorry. So it goes in and comes out like that, and then when the woman is done, you roll this and then pull, because of the way, okay, I think you can see it as I'm pulling it, because of the way the ring was actually inserted in the vagina, it comes out, you see, like that, with the semen in it, and then the woman is safe, the man is safe. Another good thing about this, I'm saying the third thing about it, for example, maybe for 6 hours you could stay there, maybe over the night you can insert it while going to bed, and then remove it the next morning. And as much as you want to have sex over the night, you can do that using just one condom. That is why it is good. And once you remove it, you cannot insert it again. I'm saying before you remove it, because it's still the same and it's the semen, it is whatever, you can still have sex probably twice or 3 times using the same condom, and then you remove it. Like I said, you roll it up, remove it, and just like it is, put it in a tissue, dispose it, but don't flush this also. So if you were taking notes from all I've said, you will remember the 3 main advantages of using this female condom. Like I said, the first one is that it protects the outer vulva from any form of infection that is on the skin around the genitals, or at least around that place. It protects it. And then secondly, you can use it for as many rounds as you want, at least within 6 hours period before taking it out. But using it with the same partner at that point in time, you can use it and then take it out, dispose it. And then the third advantage is that it gives much more pleasure to the man than compared to when the man is using a male condom. So that is how to use a female condom, and that is how to use a male condom. If there's any other thing about condom that you really want to know or you want us to talk about, please mention it in the comment section. I'll be so glad to attend to it. Above using condom and trying to protect yourself, abstinence, especially if you are not married, and faithfulness to your partner is actually the best. And if you're actually finding it difficult to to abstain, fine, you can use condom. Secondly, you can turn to Jesus. Ask the Savior to help you, comfort, strengthen, and keep you. Is willing to aid you. He will carry you through. God can help you, to stay faithful if you so much desire. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you find it very interesting. I find it interesting making this video. God. I know somebody will come for me actually. But I actually find it very interesting making this video. So see you next time. And wait, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please, it is free. Subscribe, click on the notification bell, and expect much more interesting videos from me.